Hi everyone! Welcome to my vlog. Thank you sa mga nag-subscribe and sa magsusubscribe pa lang. Again, this is your Inday Jusana. And I hope everyone is nag-enjoy sa Christmas. Ayan, Christmas party. So, by the way guys, ang ating pag-uusapan ngayon is paano mag-close ng business sa Manila City Hall. So if your business is located in Manila, this video is for you guys. So bago dyan guys, paano natin malalaman kung yung business mo sa Manila is totally closed na? Ang sagot po dyan, if meron na kayong certification of retirement. Ayan. Ito yung ganitong sample niya ng certification para totally closed na talaga yung business niyo. But before that, kailangan natin mag-apply sa license division ng City Hall. So, ano-ano yung mga requirements na yon. Ito guys, ang dami niya. Char. Ito. Ayan. So, papakita ko sa inyo. So, yung una is completely filled up application form and notarized original copy, third and fourth copy. So, ito yung sample niya, guys. Business permit, application form. Ito. And first page. Ito naman, guys, yung certified gross sales and gross receipts. Ayan. So, January to December yan. Yung scenario kasi namin, guys, is January 2023 siya nag-close ng business. So, ang nilagay po namin is January to December 2022 kung magkano yung sales na kinita niya. So, panotaryuhan din yan. Then, ito, affidavit. Kailangan fill-upan and panotarize. Nakikita nyo ba? By the way, guys, kukuha nyo naman to doon sa license division ng Counter 1 and Counter 2 kasi nagbibigay naman sila ng ganito sa City Hall ng Manila. So, number 2 is current or latest original copy of business permit or business tax receipt. So, pangatlo, certification from the barangay chairman on the date of closure. Pang-apat, photocopy, ID ng owner. Kung may representative kayo, pwede din. SPA, pag individual. Pag corporation naman, secretary certificate or board reso. Pang-lima is board resolution for business closure. And then, pang-anim, articles of incorporation or general information sheet or GIS. And then, pang-pito, contract of lease pag nangungupahan yung business nyo guys. If owned naman, tax declaration. Pangwalo, BIR, certification of registration or yung tinatawag nating COR sa BIR. Pangsyam, sales schedule of gross receipts per branch for last 3 years. Pag yung pinaklose nyo naman is yung branch. And then, yung pang 10 natin, business permits and business tax receipts of other branches. Pag branch pa din yung papaklose nyo. Pang-11, income tax return for latest and prior 3 years. Ayan, 3 years guys. And then pang-12, quarterly VAT or percentage of tax for the latest 3 years pa din. So, ayan. And then pang-13 is audited financial statements. Na andun yung balance sheet, income statement, cash flow, notes to financial statements. Then sa baba niya, receive by, date, time, and contact number. So guys, pag nasabit nyo siya sa license division, meron silang 7 days para i-review yung mga papers na sinabit nyo sa kanila and then to check the location if totally closed na talaga. Tapos, bibigyan ka lang nila ng maliit na claim stub. Ayun. Tapos, after nung, or before 7 days na yan, guys, magte-text na yan sa inyo dun sa number na ilalagay nyo dun. Tapos, ito yung sample na ite-text niya. Pero ito talaga na-receive ko after ko ma-submit yung mga requirements. So, good PM. This is from retirement section, License Division Manila. For payment na po yung company name na sinubmit ko na for closure. For pick up or payment na po statement of account amounting to 10,768. Huwag pong kalimutan dalhin ang claim stub. So, Ang total po na binayaran namin for closure is 10,768 for isang corporation lang po yun. Okay. Tapos, guys, pag pumunta naman kayo doon, kunin nyo po yung statement of accounts, tapos bayaran nyo po yan sa taxpayers launch nila. And then, may kasama pa po yung certification fee, 100 pesos. Tapos po noon, pag nabigay nyo na po sa kanila yung copy na pinagbayaran nyo, tapos certification, meron din po silang 5 days para i-release yung certification nyo. And after 5 days, yan guys, pwede nyo na kunin ang certification ng closure or retirement ng business nyo sa Manila City Hall. So, ito yung sample guys. Kasi nung last Monday, I think, December 18 ata yun. Ito, nakuha ko na po siya. At ito yung sabi niya, ito, may logo siya ng lungsod ng Maynila ng Pilipinas. Tapos, Republic of the Philippines, City of Manila City Treasurers. So, sa baba niya, date, tapos certification, and ito yung nakasulat guys sa certification. This is to certify that based on available records of this office, yung company name na in-apply ko, and yung business address niya, and then yung business permit number niya has applied for full retirement. Tapos yung line of service and was approved on December 11, 2023 under retirement number RDO 2312-2033. This is issued upon the letter request of Ms. Jocelyn Lazaro for whatever legal intent and purpose it may serve. Tapos may perma siya sa baba, and then may application number, yung amount paid na binayaran namin naka-state din dito, 10,768. Tapos yung OR date. So yun lamang guys, pag may tanong kayo, don't hesitate to ask questions, pwede ko po yan sagutin. And thank you so much mga sumuport sa vlog na to. See you on my next vlog. Bye-bye! Love, love, love!